Hi everyone, good morning, me again. Just wanted to address one of the biggest hurdles that I seem to come across quite significantly. It is, I don't have time. I'm working full time. I have 2, 3, 6 children. I'm married. I live with my in-laws. I'm running 2 jobs at the same time. I'm running my own business. All of them. I feel you. There is a significant lack of time. There is no time. However, we seem to make time for other people. And this is the biggest thing that it ends up being a little bit of a counselling session with my patients, because there is lack of time, but we need to find the time. And if there's something that needs to be compromised or something needs to be delegated, then it needs to happen, because your self-care is all down to you. No one else is going to do it for you. So unless that initiation comes from you, it's not going to happen. Now, with regards to skincare, I'm assuming that those of you that are very busy, you still wash your face in the morning. You may use your moisturizer on a daily basis. You may or may not apply sunscreen. You may or may not put some night cream on. You may or may not use some lip balm or something of the sort. So if you are doing even one of those steps, any one of those steps, then why not use something that is actually going to make a difference? Why not consider investing in a face wash that is going to exfoliate your skin, close pores, brighten up your skin? Why not consider that? Why not consider a serum or a moisturizer that is actually going to address your concerns, acne, hyperpigmentation, anything of that sort? If you're washing your hair and you're noticing the hair fall, why not use a shampoo or a conditioner that is actually tailored to address that concern? So my point is, you don't have time. That's fair enough, completely relate to that. As a mum of 2, I completely relate to that. Then why not make your steps more effective? So rather than treating a concern when it gets to a stage that is so beyond extent that requires treatment, you can actually prevent it by addressing these small steps. So replace what's not working for you and don't waste your valuable time on them. Spend time with the products that will actually bring about change for you. If you're interested in having a little bit of an analysis of your skincare routine, seeing which products are working for you, which ones are not, and see which ones we can replace, then just let me know, and I'm more than happy to sit down with you, do a full consultation, see what your concerns are, and we can tailor your skincare regime accordingly. It doesn't have to be, it never really is with me, a 12-step regime, but it can definitely be at least a 2 or 3 step in which one that works for you. I hope that was helpful. Let me know, guys. Have a great day.